Hi, my name is Brian England from British American Auto Care. Today we're going to look at the restoration of some headlights on a car. This process is normally done on cars that are about 7 or 8 years old, and the whole plastic headlamps start to go yellow, rather like someone getting cataracts at 60 years old. In any case, what we can do is take this dead plastic off and reprocess the headlights and restore them to be almost like brand new. So here we are going to check out this process taking place in the shop. So here we have before, the last step of the process is to clean and wax. This special wax will give the protection it needs to make the job last a long time. Here we have after. The restoration job is complete.